Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you download and install YouTube Studio app on your Android phone or iPhone. For everyone that use Android phone, just go to your Play Store. Then on getting to Play Store, click on search. Then click on search app and game and type in YouTube Studio and hit on search. Then click on this one right here. This is exactly what you need to download and install, whether you are using Android phone or iPhone. So once you download and install it, exit from Play Store, then go ahead and launch the app from your phone right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. So if you have launched the app for the first time, you'll be asked to sign in with your YouTube username and password. Once you sign in, it will take you to your channel on mobile right here. Now, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on community right here. And the next thing you want to do is to click on view all right here. Then here you can scroll. The more you scroll down, the more you see all comments that you have on your YouTube channel right here. However, you can go ahead and select a particular comment that you want to pin in your YouTube channel. So, however, I'm going to use a particular comment right here. So I'm going to use this particular comment right here. So for me to pin this comment right here, what we want to do is to make sure we click on the video link. If I click on the video link, I need to go ahead and scroll down right here and make sure I click on these three dots right here. Then we have pin right here. Click on pin. Pin this comment. Click on pin. Comment pin. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.